In this video, we're going to analyze Escanol's quote from The Seven Deadly Sins. First, let's watch the scene and then we'll go over the grammar.
震えるさ。決めるのは我だ。
So today's quote is 決めるのは我だ. This is the basic grammar. A は B だ, meaning A is B. The A is 決めるの. 決める is a verb dictionary form meaning to decide. The particle no is what is called the nominalizer, which makes a verb or adjective before work as a noun. So 決めるの means the one who decides. The B is 我, meaning I or me, which is hardly used in real life as the first person pronoun. It is very old and archaic, so in anime it's often used by high-ranking samurai or kings. So if you call yourself ware in a real conversation, you might sound very arrogant or it just sounds funny. In Japan, there are many ways to say I or me depending on gender, age, situations, regions, and so on. So I will introduce some of the first-person pronouns commonly used in real life. The most common first-person pronoun is watashi. For females, it can be used in both casual and formal situations, so if you're a woman, you can just stick to this. If you're a man, watashi is usually used in formal situations, such as job interviews, formal speech, or whenever you talk to clients or superiors. In casual speech, men tend to use ore or boku. So what's the difference between them? Ore sounds masculine and informal, whereas boku sounds softer and more formal than ore. Ore is often used when they talk to their family or close friends, as they want to be cool and manlike rather than being a good boy. Boku can also be used in semi-formal speech, but when you're not sure which pronoun to use in a formal situation, just use watashi as it never sounds rude. These three are the most common first-person pronouns widely used in Japan. We will introduce more on our blog post, so please check out the link in the description below if you're interested. So today's quote, 決めるのは我だ means the one who gets to decide is me, or it is me who gets to decide. As you know, in Japanese, a noun usually comes first and a verb comes on the end of the sentence, but by using this grammar, verb or adjective plain form, no wa, noun, da, you can emphasize the noun. For example, 山田さんを殺したのはあなただ meaning the one who killed Mr. Yamada is you. 俺が欲しいのはお前だけだ meaning all I want is you. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.